In previous class we discussed the topic preparation of compost and manure. Compost and manure are used as a fertilizer for growing plants. Compost is made of decayed organic materials such as leaves, grasses, etc. While manure are the animals' dung, feces, urine, dead animals, etc. In today's class we will be discussing the topic methods of making compost and manure. Pit method. Heap method. Materials needed for making compost and manure. Dried plants such as leaves, grasses, flowers, decayed fruits or seeds, weeds, etc. Sewage, farmyard waste, sand dust, little, soil, water. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.